guys, since I knew I told you that we're gonna open up the
Part 2.
guys, and afterwards we're gonna do part 3.
Yeah, my 2 packs.
Guys, so who else has been just saying that we should be getting the sun?
And guys, happy Thanksgiving to all you viewers.
Yeah, that, and whoever subscribes, I'm happy. Thank you for watching our videos and subscribing.
It's like when you guys subscribe, it's like us saying happy Thanksgiving to you guys.
It really is.
Oh, let's show that big card.
Holy,
That's the one.
230. Guys, this thing does 230 damage.
That's the newest card out.
And yeah, it's the Pokemon Sun. Moon, we didn't suggest. We didn't buy that because I don't like Moon. Guys, I just don't. Look at that cool picture of Sun. And guys, since we also got a band. Sorry guys,
The newest Pokemon out right now are Piplup. We got that.
Give me that. Give me that. That thing is so
Rowlet.
fragile. So fragile. I mean, not so fragile thing. Fragile.
Then we got Litten. Wait, no, them are the starter ones.
These are the starter Sun and Moon. Okay, guys? Just telling you. So, I know, guys, you want to open up to the packs. But I first have to tell you all we got.
We got 5 packs.
Here it is.
So, we got Breakpoint, Evolutions,
That's
Fates
new.
Collide,
New.
Evolutions, and a Steam Siege.
So, first, guys, I'm going to make...
I think this is new, guys.
Guys, I put all the old ones. I know these 3 packs are a little bit messed up in the series.
And guys, I gave Brady already the giveaway.
Yep, we gave it to him. Guys, don't be mad. But, guys, first we're opening up... What's that called again?
Evolutions.
Evolutions.
Let's do this.
I know, guys, it's an old Pokemon, but oh my gosh, guys, they have to stop making this pack so hard to open.
Last episode review. Why Nate's still opening it?
Yeah.
We got a Rayquaza EX.
Those
We
are
got
awesome.
an amazing Mega Tyranitar EX. These are our best cards. We got an amazing Articuno. And we got a pretty good Kyogre.
Got one open.
Okay.
I got, in this pack was Steam Siege.
These should be the newest cards out that are in here.
No,
Oh,
these,
cool.
I can't open these 2 packs. Gabe, okay, you just, go get this.
No, I've got these.
Okay, just go. That's, so we have,
I know.
just open the top, Just open the top, I said. So we have, what's it say, Gabe? Sorry guys, it'll take a little bit, but I'm just not going to tell the names.
Greedy Dice.
Greedy Dice. I don't like greedy people. Because they're so greedy. So then we have Skip Plume.
Wait,
If I'm saying this right,
Skip Loom.
if I'm saying this wrong, guys, just tell me in the comments below. I'm just going to show them.
Armor Fossil Shieldin or something.
Yeah, I already showed that to you guys.
I got these open.
Okay.
Fungus. Mankey.
King.
Clink. Oh. This is a pretty good card. And Manatine.
Yeah, you have that. That's my first Manatine.
Shellos.
Guys, don't be mad at me.
And we got a Cloyster. Hollow Cloyster. Then we got a nice Pyroar.
That's, guys, I'm just telling you, the evolution is this.
Of a Pyroar? No, it isn't.
I don't know what it is, the evolution. I'm not sure. Let me go and check on the card. Yeah, there is no evolution.
That's
There's
the
no
final.
evolution.
That's the final.
There is no evolution or down evolution.
Yes, there is.
Really?
Yes, it's Litleo. I'm pretty sure.
Tiny Cookie. Break point. have some break
guys,
points.
we're opening up Breakpoint.
Guys, and all of you the haters, I hate Breakpoint. Don't be mad at me. It's not me. It's the people who make the back packets. That's who it is. It's not me, guys. Don't be mad at me.
There you go.
See a good card. Oh, I just don't care. So, guys, I know, guys, I skipped right to that. I just couldn't resume myself.
Pangoro. Pangoro. Awesome Pangoro. Max Potion.
That's good.
Oh, nice. Lapras.
I don't have a Lapras. It's my
I
first
do.
Lapras.
Frogadier. A Glameow. I know. Slowpoke. Scorupy.
I'm not sure what that said, guys.
Gibble or
And
Gibble.
guys, you know that bear that we just saw? That's a reverse. Just telling you guys. Guys, I think these
Side
packets,
duck.
they don't use it's
Oh, nice. We got a Gold Duck Break.
guys, don't be mad at me because I'm just happy. I'm happy.
Good pile.
Next is Fate Glide. These things are really good. People say. That's what people say, not what I say. But they say that it's gonna be good. So
Oh my gosh. Servine.
I think that's energy best.
Energy Reset. Pupitar. Larvitar. Larvitar evolves into Pupitar, and Pupitar evolves into Tyranitar.
And then it evolves.
Diglett. Spoink. Rylu. Soloist. Then we got an awesome Kangaskhan. How's that bad name? What the crap?
It is though.
Renicolos.
It's the evolution of our butt character.
At least we got a Kangaskhan.
It should got a Mega Kangaskhan. So first, guys, what should we open up? Mega Blastoise or Mega Venusaur?
That's all you have left.
Okay, what should we open up first? Okay, what should we open up first?
Blastoise.
Blastoise. So first we got a Blastoise.
That's all you have left.
Yeah. I just got Blast. Darn packs. Guys, I think I'm just gonna. Yeah,
Let me do one.
I'm just gonna rip through this.
Yes.
There, that's.
Oh, old cards.
I saw Albeetle. Don't mind me. I got a Weedle. Guys, these things are rare.
Nick got it.
Flying Pikachu.
Flying Pikachu.
It's a balloon. Yeah, put that.
Haunter.
Training.
Maintenance. I know. Weedle. Rattata. Tangela. Staryu. Old Fighting Energy. And we got a
I think that's
reverse Doduo.
Ah, guys, 150. I'll trade some for this, guys. The new giveaway is 150 Arcanine. That's the new giveaway because I already have.
Okay, go Nate.
I already have 2 of them, and I have another
Venusaur.
Mega Venusaur, I think. I'm just gonna tear this pack open. That's what I do with all my other packs.
This is the last pack guy that he has.
Guys, and after this, oh my gosh, guys, I'm just gonna. Guys, it's taking so long. You gotta open this. I'm just gonna tear them up. Flying Pikachu! Flying Pikachu, flying in the air. Making your mama pooping in the chair. Gabe, give me it. Give me it, Gabe. Give me it. No. Energy.
Oh, we got a double Chlorosis energy.
You want that.
Mega Charizard Spirit Link. I have Nate's and he has mine.
Yeah.
We got an old Metapod. Old boy Nidoran. A Ponyta. An old Pikachu.
You see that old Poliwag or something? I needed that.
Old Poliwag.
I need that.
A Caterpie. And a Devolution Spray. And we got the last card, a pretty cool Starmie. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!